Good day, viewers. Walter here. Today I'm out here by my Voyager pontoon boat. Hasn't been started in, I know, 10 years. And many of you know I've been trying to resurrect this boat from the dead and get it going. Today we're going to try to start the engine. There's a good chance it won't start, and that I'll have to work on the carburetors, but what the hell, let's hit the key and give it a whirl and see what happens. Not the coolest setup in the world, but I got my fuel line dropped down in that gas lawnmower tank. I haven't pumped it up yet because I'm going to go get my wife to come out here and turn the key for me while I squirt some carburetor cleaner in there. And we turn it over a few times without even pumping any gas to it. I don't know if that'll help or not, but we're going to try it. Oh, I got to remember to turn the water on too. Alright, the first thing we're going to do today, I've got my water running. I haven't pumped any gas in there. We're going to just turn the engine over a couple of times and put some carburetor cleaner in there. Terry Mary is sitting up there on the control. Try to start it one time. Huh? Just turn the key right now. Turn the key. All right, crank on it a minute. Crank again. Crank again. All right, turn it off. Let's put some gasoline in it. All right, we're going to pump some gas up there. Contact. Yeah. Do it again. Kind of dirt coming out of it. Try it. I think we got carburetor problems. We'll let it soak a while with that carburetor cleaner I put in there, and then we'll try it again. Just give it 30 minutes. Try one more time. Gotta let go of the key after. Out of the carburetor. I got one can left. Boy, I got drenched on that one. Alright, try it again. I think we'll use about half of it, and then we'll cover it up and let it soak all night.